So this is Ponyo's first, or actually second free flight. Ponyo, step up. Come on.
Yeah.
Step up. So Ponyo, go. Come here, Ponyo. I trimmed his nails. Can you tell? Step up. Wow. He knows his flock. This guy loves us. I can tell you. You better.
I better love
Go,
him.
Ponyo. Go for a little fly. Go. Ponyo, you got poop all over your butt. 1, 2, 3, go. Go for a little fly.
Fly to the moon.
Say bye-bye, Ponyo. Go for a fly and come back.
Goodbye, Ponyo. Fly for back.
1, 2, 3. He doesn't want to. I think he's tired.
Can I
Might
go
just be a
pet
little
him?
cold too. No, he doesn't seem cold. He just, I don't know. Here, let him go, baby.
He's so cute.
You gonna go? You wanna go for a fly? Go. No?
You want to go fly?
He's like, nah.
He's like,
I
I'm
wanna stay with
tired.
my papa.
He's
Fine.
like, I like
Well, there you go, guys. Really, that was awesome. He's a smart guy. Highly recommend. Pet baby conure. They're awesome. They're so funny too. Oh, look at him. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, no. Come here. It's okay, baby. Come here. God bless and take care. Say bye, Ponyo.
Goodbye, Ponyo.
Say bye.
Bye, Ponyo. Bye, Ponyo.
Gentle, gentle.